The beautiful signs of our story so far, so far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it. Singing, I love you. I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same.
All right, you guys, let's talk about this giveaway. If you don't know what Plastic-Free July is, I didn't know either. It's just a time during the month of July to bring awareness to yourself and to what you purchase and try to really reduce single-use plastic items. Plastic-Free July is a global movement that helps us be a part of the solution to the plastic problem that we have going on in the world today. It's an effort to clean up the streets and the oceans and just our communities in general. And I know that I'm not perfect. I use plastic, still I use plastic, but I've come a long way and I still got a long way to go. But I also think it's a really great challenge for me personally, and maybe for you as well, to just kind of examine on a daily basis where we're using those kinds of things and where we can reduce them. So I've partnered with Lotus Trolley Bags to give away a set of their trolley bags as well as a set of their produce bags. And I have to say, these trolley bags as well as the produce bags, I've been using them for the last few months. They're really quite helpful if you can bring them into stores where you live, or even if you keep them in your trunk or in your cart to kind of divide your groceries once you're putting them away and bringing them into the house. And the produce bags are really beautiful quality and they help keep my produce really fresh in my fridge. So I just wanted to extend that to you guys because I know I do get a lot of questions about how to keep produce fresh and what kind of reusable bags I use. And I've been using their sets for the last few months and I've really been enjoying them. The Lotus Trolley Bags are a set of 4 reusable bags that you can just actually pop into a grocery cart. And it's kind of cool because if you enjoy budgeting or organizing your groceries as you shop, just to kind of stay on task and with your shopping list, it's a cool way to separate it out. My favorite bag of theirs actually has an insulation, so it's really hot here right now, so if you live in a hot climate, you can put your produce in there or anything that's frozen, close it up, put it in your car, head to a couple other stores and know that you've got that little bit of insulation to help out. I've also used that bag when we've gone up to the beach at the lake, and it's been really, really good for that as well, just keeping our food nice and cool. Again, if you can go into a store at this point in time, this point in history, and put your stuff into reusable produce bags, they're awesome for that. But I've also been using them to store my produce in the fridge. They're organic cotton and they're BPA free, and somehow, I don't even understand how this is possible, they do keep my vegetables very fresh. Things from turmeric to celery to cilantro, they've all kept fresh and not wilted, which can sometimes be a really frustrating problem with reusable produce bags. They're food safe and they're washable, so you can really use them for a very long time.